Welcome back to the garden. Today I'm sharing 10 must-have gardening tools under $50. Grab them before they sell out. These are the tools that make gardening easier, more fun, and more beautiful, all at incredible Prime Day prices. Ready to transform your garden? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the Work Pro Mini Hedge Trimmer, my new go-to tool for quick, precise touch-ups in the garden. If you're like me and want to keep your outdoor space looking sharp without spending hours on maintenance, this little gadget is a total game changer. It's compact enough to fit comfortably in your hand, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a punch when it comes to performance. One of the best things about the Work Pro Mini Hedge Trimmer is that it's completely cordless. That means you can move freely around your yard, reaching every corner and angle without getting tangled up in cords or having to search for an outlet. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, even if you're working for an extended period. No more lugging around heavy, awkward equipment or dealing with the hassle of extension cords. This trimmer is perfect for a variety of tasks, whether you're shaping boxwoods into neat, rounded forms, tidying up overgrown hedges, or defining the edges of your flower beds for that crisp, professional look. The precision blades make it easy to get clean lines and smooth curves, so your garden always looks its best. It's also great for reaching those tricky spots that bigger trimmers just can't handle. Safety is a top priority, and the Work Pro Mini Hedge Trimmer comes with a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starts. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue and giving you better control as you work. Plus, switching between blade attachments is quick and simple, so you can tackle different tasks without missing a beat. The control and freedom this tool gives you really makes garden maintenance a breeze. You can trim, shape, and tidy up your plants with minimal effort, all while enjoying the fresh air and sunshine. It's so easy to use that even beginners will feel confident tackling their own landscaping projects. And here's the best part. Right now, the Work Pro Mini Hedge Trimmer is just $32 for Prime Day. That's an incredible value for a tool that can completely transform your gardening experience. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this is a deal you don't want to miss. Using this tool turns what used to feel like a chore into a creative, satisfying task. There's something really rewarding about seeing your hard work pay off as your garden takes shape. And the Work Pro Mini Hedge Trimmer makes that process fun and effortless. Trust me, once you've tried the Work Pro Mini Hedge Trimmer, you'll wonder how you ever managed your garden without it. It's the perfect blend of convenience, power, and affordability, making it a must-have for anyone who loves spending time outdoors and wants their garden to look its absolute best. Unsure when to water? The Raintrip Soil Moisture Meter takes out all the guesswork. Just insert the probe, no batteries needed, and instantly see if your soil is dry, moist, or wet. It's saved so many of my plants from overwatering. At just $16, it's a tiny investment for healthier, happier plants. Use it for everything from outdoor beds to kitchen herbs. It's the simplest way to become a more intuitive gardener. Every gardener, whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, knows that having the right tools can make all the difference. There's something truly satisfying about reaching for a tool that feels just right in your hand. And that's exactly what you get with the Granebo 9-piece tool set. This set is designed to cover all your basic gardening needs, from planting and weeding to pruning and digging, making it a must-have for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. The first thing you'll notice is the ergonomic handles. They're thoughtfully shaped to fit comfortably in your palm, reducing hand fatigue during long gardening sessions. Whether you're loosening soil, transplanting seedlings, or pulling stubborn weeds, these handles provide a secure, non-slip grip that makes every task easier and more enjoyable. The tools themselves are made from high-quality, rust-resistant metal, so you can count on them to last season after season. The Granebo set includes all the essentials: a trowel, transplanter, hand rake, weeder, pruner, and more. Each tool has its own spot in the sturdy, well-constructed tote bag, which keeps everything organized and easy to carry. The set even comes with a pair of comfortable gardening gloves, so you're ready to get your hands dirty the moment you open the bag. It's a complete kit that takes the guesswork out of what you need to get started. This set isn't just practical, it's also a wonderful gift idea. It's grandma recommended for a reason. The tools are easy to use for gardeners of all ages, and the attractive packaging makes it perfect for birthdays, Mother's Day, or housewarming presents. If you're looking to inspire someone to start their own garden, or simply want to treat yourself, The Granebo set is a thoughtful choice that shows you care. For just $29, you're getting tools that are built to withstand tough jobs and frequent use. The metal components are strong enough to handle rocky soil and dense roots, while the handles remain comfortable even after hours of work. You won't have to worry about tools bending or breaking. These are made to last, so you can focus on enjoying your time in the garden. Staying organized is easy with the included tote bag. Each tool has its own designated pocket, so you'll never waste time searching for what you need. The bag is lightweight yet durable, making it simple to carry your tools from the shed to the garden bed. Plus, it keeps your tools protected and ready for your next project. With everything in one place, you'll always be prepared for any gardening task that comes your way. Whether you're planting new flowers, maintaining your vegetable patch, or tackling a big landscaping project, this set ensures you have the right tool at your fingertips. Just grab the bag, head outside, and let the fresh air and sunshine inspire you. Gardening becomes less of a chore and more of a relaxing, rewarding experience when you have reliable tools by your side. The Granebo 9-piece tool set truly makes gardening smoother, more efficient, and a lot more joyful. Whether you're tending to a few pots on your balcony or cultivating a backyard oasis, this set will help you grow with confidence and ease. No yard, no problem. Whether you live in a bustling city apartment, a cozy condo, or a home with limited outdoor space, you can still enjoy the joys of gardening. The Best Choice raised garden bed is designed for anyone who dreams of growing their own fresh herbs, vegetables, or flowers, even if all you have is a balcony or a small patio. Imagine stepping outside and harvesting your own produce, right from your doorstep. The Best Choice raised garden bed brings gardening to any space, transforming even the smallest corners into lush, productive gardens. Its compact footprint means you don't need a sprawling backyard to cultivate your favorite plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this raised bed makes it easy to nurture your green thumb no matter where you live. The elevated design is a game changer. Say goodbye to sore knees and aching backs. Now you can garden comfortably while standing or sitting. This thoughtful feature makes gardening accessible for everyone, including seniors or anyone with mobility challenges. It's perfect for those who want to spend more time enjoying their plants and less time worrying about physical strain. Not only is it practical, but it's also stylish. The sleek, modern design looks great on patios, balconies, or decks, adding a touch of greenery and elegance to your outdoor living space. Fill it with fragrant herbs, crisp vegetables, or vibrant flowers. The possibilities are endless. You can even mix and match your favorite plants to create a personalized mini landscape that reflects your style. Imagine a raised bed overflowing with colorful blooms, fresh basil, or juicy tomatoes. Plant what you love and watch your garden thrive season after season. The deep planting area gives roots plenty of room to grow, ensuring healthy, robust plants. It's a wonderful way to bring nature closer to home and enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own food or flowers. And right now, it's available for just $95 for Prime Day. A fantastic deal on a durable, high-quality piece that's built to last for years. Assembly is quick and easy, so you can start planting in no time. Invest in your well-being and your home with a raised bed that delivers value, beauty, and endless gardening possibilities. Gardening truly is for everyone, and the Best Choice raised garden bed makes it possible for people of all ages and abilities to experience the joy of growing. Whether you're gardening solo, with friends, or as a family, this raised bed brings people together and helps create lasting memories. Start your gardening journey today and transform any space into a thriving, beautiful oasis. Meet the Hori knife, the ultimate garden multi-tool. Dig, cut, weed, and plant with one sturdy, beautifully designed tool. Serrated and straight edges, plus depth markings for perfect planting. It's balanced, powerful, and precise, my constant companion in the garden. On sale for just $20, it's a timeless tool you'll use every season. Once you try it, you'll never want to garden without it. Never garden without a great pair of gloves. They protect and connect you to your work. Look for durable, flexible gloves with reinforced palms and breathable fabric. Prime Day is the perfect time to upgrade. Find high-quality pairs at a discount. Have a heavy-duty pair for tough jobs and a lighter pair for delicate tasks. The right gloves make every garden task more comfortable. Treat your hands. They do the real work. Watering should be peaceful, not a wrestling match with a heavy hose. Modern flexible hoses are lightweight, kink-free, and easy to store. They expand with water, shrink for storage, and come with multi-function nozzles. Prime Day deals make this the moment to upgrade your watering routine. Simplify your process and give your plants the care they deserve. Extend your garden's magic into the night with string lights. They create a warm, inviting glow, perfect for evenings outdoors. Choose weatherproof, outdoor-rated lights. Edison bulbs and solar options are my favorites. Prime Day is the time to light up your patio or yard for less. It's an easy, affordable way to transform your outdoor space. Bring your garden to life with a bird feeder. Enjoy the sights and sounds of visiting birds. Birds help control pests and add beauty to your space. Choose a feeder that suits your style and the birds you want to attract. Prime Day offers great deals on all types, from classic to modern designs. A simple feeder brings endless joy and a thriving ecosystem to your garden. For tech lovers, the Smart Plant Sensor is a game changer. It tracks moisture, light, soil fertility, and temperature, right from your phone. Get real-time feedback and tailored advice for every plant. Prime Day makes this high-tech tool surprisingly affordable. Pair it with my free checklist to keep every plant thriving. That's a wrap on our top 10 Prime Day finds. The right tools spark excitement and make gardening more rewarding. Remember, your garden is a story. These tools help you write it. Download the free guide, check the links below, and subscribe for more garden inspiration. Which tools surprised you most? Let me know in the comments. See you next time for more ways to create a home and garden you love.